blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Roll over the ocean and the deep blue sea.
Gets na?
Yes, sir.
Ikaduha na itong kanta kay mas paso na sa Diyok mo kay Karpong pa. Nirjay sa itong malawasan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
It's me, it's me, it's me over community. It's me, it's me, it's me over community. It's me, it's me, it's me over community. It's me over community. La la la, over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean and the deep blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Roll over the ocean and the deep blue sea.
Master!
It's me, it's me, it's me over community. It's me, it's me, it's me over community. It's me, it's me, it's me over community. It's me over community. La la la, roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Roll over the ocean and the big blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Roll over the ocean and the big blue sea.
Okay, energize pa ka na?
Yes, sir.
Please, please.
Oh, so tired.
So, first let us have our attendance. Please, boys, count off. 1,
3, 4,
5, 6,
Sabay.
8. Please, girls, count off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20,
21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32,
okay. Very good. Isang percent. Okay. Let us have first a bit recap of our topic class meeting. So anyone who volunteers to recap the topic. Okay, Sir Arvis, okay. The topic class meeting.
Implementing the three approach. This one. This three approach, multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and transdisciplinary.
Okay, very good. So,
Okay, excuse me. At exactly 3 p.m., we will be...
now, an important Okay, thank you. Let us know the importance of integrating different subjects in the curriculum. I have an example here at all. The methods of curriculum integration. First one is the project-based learning. So this
Students in creating knowledge while enhancing their skills in critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, communication, reasoning, synthesis, and resilience. As such, it entails an output, performing a presentation, and producing a project.
Okay, so project-based learning is so it creates or it students to delve into a real world problem or so the word project-based ABCI there is an output that is project. You have to create artifact or project that teacher give to you and you have to present it in a written or oral presentation. That's what project-based learning. So it creates critical thinking
collaboration
because kasagaran sa project is groupings. For example, you students should be tasked with researching and presenting a project on climate change in a specific system. So, first you need to do is to gather scientific or get scientific data or information, then analyze and then present it in written or oral presentation. That's what project based is. Not here, there's an output. So, I understand that project based, the word project based learning. So it helps students critically think and creativity, collaboration. And there is also a implementation outcome or research outcome. Isusit ko nila sa sa kadaki ang natabang sa project-based learning sa estudyante. The implementation outcome sa project-based is, as a result, Fortis 2002 revealed that project-based program shows that students go far beyond the minimum effort. So, for example, this is the minimum effort. Students go far beyond Kazod because the project it has a big impact to our grades. So, effort with gap. Muna siya ang nakadamang sa estudyante. Dili kayo, matakalugan. Pagkuhan niya ako kay effort on a outcome sa about this method. It creates students to answer open-minded questions and apply the learning they learn into a real life problems. Dili lang tayo. Project ka dapat you critically think and apply it to and it lower the absenteeism of students. This method helps the students not to absent because we know project is important. It has a big impact to our grades. Tapos yan, in conclusion, this method has a big help to students to effort. So the second one is the service learning.
Learning that involves students in a wide range of experiences, which often benefits others in the community, while also advancing the goals of the given curriculum.
In the word service, can we call the immersion a service? Yes, because it involves community Sige, again.
We need example of service learning is like our in this right now. So we are required to help our community to be clean and so that the NSTP president maghimo siya na dapat ang mga estudyante ng NSTP ang itlog sa lain-laing baryo sa RFC. So kita na assignment pa sa tulay sa Palapan. So consider ko siya sa service learning. Kaya dili na po ka nag-focus sa study pero nakatabang ka sa pag-deliver sa atong community. So an example of service learning.
That is our service. We are learning while helping others or community. Like kung service learning, there is also implementation outcome about this method. So, then, 2001 found that more than 80% of schools who integrate this method, this service learning, report an improvement to students' grades. So, what is big? It is also a big study students because while you're learning, you're helping. So, it is a big also impact on our grades. And this method can also gain us experience parang like mga kuhan that it deepen our it widen our knowledge about that area. That's all about service learning. The third one is learning centers parallel disciplines.
Integrate the curriculum to address public origin children.
Okay. Learning centers or parallel disciplines, it creates a designated area within a classroom to focus on that specific skills or what your skills. So, for example, grupo na mo sa grupo na mo. Tapos, it focus on your skills without namoy ka grupo nga kamo mo drawing or napuloy ka mo nga mo na research na that students he or she can focus on that specific skills and then while the others to research or doing something sa so that's what learning centers or parallel disciplines.
Okay, excuse me na, ayaw lang i-post. Kaya na, mag-exit ako, and then, imo ang topic doy, prepare mo ka ka o insights, share sa mga online, Google Meet, whatever ka o insights, together with my questions. Ano yung ako gana ni Kumaron? Ang imong gana mag-kasi at sa performance mo sa Google Meet. Especially katong mga nag-VR. Na yung mga questions na ipapapanan ninyo after mag-deliver mo sa mga insights.
About ito sa topic ko.
About sa mga topic. Ako mga nag-VR, kung di yung mga topic, yung mga nalaman ko ninyo, unfair na sa sides ng mga nag-face-to-face na sinabi ko mga kanilog ng mga nag-VR pala. So, ato po sa inyong mga lesson plan, ato po discuss, kung yung mga karbo, kung ano yung mga sasalan, yung mga ito, good, kung pala yung sasalan.
Wala nga.
Wala mo pa rin ako. Ay, package na po discuss. Okay, kasi nga po, doon na tayo mag-sample. Na-discuss, parang na-discuss. Sige lang, sige lang, kaya siya sa napoy mo.
Ayan, dada.
Sige. Yan mo, isa sa tumat kay practice ni. Malatawag mo na, magtuon mo sa insights and the question and answer.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's proceed. The first one ay learning centers ay nasabdan na nila.
Yes.
Base naman sa saya mo na nila. Learning centers is it focus on your specific skills. So it focus on your specific skills. So, kung sa'yo na makuha mo, at tubig ka. Kung sa'yo na makuha sa uban, at tubig sila, mga na nakuntabang sa learning centers. Okay? It creates buwaso kita mo, pero grupo kita mo. Para, parang explore sila. Pero, ang tanan maka-participate. Yeah. So,
And
there.
the next yan po, example, sa Islamic.
Sila na, salino.
Like for example, ako sa Islamic art. So when we say Islamic art, kanang ito may like forma sa ilang mga art. Then ang isa ko is kabaw sa geometric. For example, geometric polygon sa mga formulanan. So ang katuko sa ka-estudyante is kabaw sa Islamic art. Iya kung tugluan to kabaw sa polygon. Then ang katong polygon, iya kung encourage nga mukuan ko sa Islamic art. So more na exploration with elaboration. Thank you.
Okay, did you? So, there is also implementation outcome or research outcome is good. As a result, Carnegie Mellon or CMU University, learning centers in a classroom can affect the ability to focus and study among their children. So, it has a big help also because it can focus your specific skills and it can widen or explore any subject areas. So, ito siya sa bangsa learning centers and or challenge understand? Yes, sir. Malihan sa likod.
Sapa na sila, sir.
Okay. Let's proceed to the first one, which is English is very important.
Some teachers go beyond students on an advanced collaboratively and begin with a more intensive way of working with a film known as team-based.
Team-based uses a team to unify the all subjects. So, in team-based, it uses team to unify all subjects. So, ang gusto mo ganito sa team is programs daw sa ating eskwelahan. So, it covers all the subject parts. It's independently sa atong regular small classes, hindi sila mag-depend. That is team-based. Have also other information because halos tanan section mo apil ani methods o ato ni kasagaran i-apply in high school or elementary. That's what team-based is. It uses a central team to unify all subjects. Ito ang team base. And it have also so the implementation outcome of this method is using team-based learning but also can excellent task behavior. So tamang sa estudyante because participate sila sa own task o ng piritsahan ay participate sila magkakalit sa ng pagkalitan. Hulihan mo na ikaw nakaparoon sila matawag sila then based on presentation ng outcome na is tell the student to collaboratively one na ba? Questions sa base? Hey! The size? Ganyan? But, for example, so the last, guys, let's proceed to the fifth one. Using fusion. Please read.
Knowledge, attitudes, regular school curriculum, future and all basic skills.
So, fusion, this method, it creates a completely new subject by combining 2 or 3 or more subject. Kaya kasi kaya sa team-based fusion, in the word fusion, you integrate or use another 3 or more subjects to create a new subject. So, for example, in science and technology subject, student task to create an artifact or solar powered device. First, gather information. What is gather information or scientific data or the energy. So, bisa magikan ng sun. Ay, bisa magikan ng energy, guys. Sorry. The sun. So, the science is already there. Nara, science subject. So, sa technology na punta. And technology yun. As well as utilize the technological skills. Design and construct the device. So, let's put technology to construct the device. Dili lang ang science. So, that's what fusion means. You can fuse or integrate another subject to create a completely new subject. On there. Guys,
In your own, our use.
yes. Fuse mo ako. Pag sama-sama, pag
Combination and collaboration.
Collaboration.
Ang salita ng skill 1, I will call.
Oh,
Fusion. Magkiusa.
Kailangan siya energy nga inyong i-use sa fusion.
So gets? Fusion. So, talagang nakalimutan nga
Energy.
sabi nyo,
Yes, sir.
Vincent, ako ay nakalimutan na i-discuss with this integration. So, kasabot ako kung sa integration, kaya ako discuss. Sige, Mr. Sabino. Listen na. No, Then, after, diba? Integration means within and across. So, dapat integrate sa subject. So, you do not only stay on that particular subject, you also integrate or merge or unite another subject to aron ma-explore or maka-ipatong na integration. That's what integration means. Within and across. Wala nito konti. So that's what integration means. Okay? Sir. That? Okay, let's proceed to our activity. May nakasabot naman mo. Let's proceed to our group activity. Balik bias, gusto ko tali rin. Let's jump off. So, 1 to 4 guys. 3.
Four. Three.
Group 1 is, are sila, group 2, group 3, and 4.
Sir. Wait lang po.
So, instruction, ay sige, basa mo ka na, doon sa mo sa isang grupo. Okay,
So what we will do, sir?
instruction, good. Now, 1, choose a letter on your group. Letter, then, you raise your own, create your own subject matter or topic and integrate it with another subject. Sige, for example, ini, subject now is one. So my topic is all about budgeting. And it's integrated with math and health. So why you integrate it with math and health? Anong naka-integrate man siya sa akong subject nga AP. So in budgeting, there is already a number. So mathematics is already there. Kung naka-integrate lang siya sa AP, subject now, which is the topic is budgeting. Sa health, na-confuse mo nga nung ma-appeal siya ay, for example, my mother or my father gives me 100 pesos. Out of that 100 pesos, I buy a banana, cube, and water. And in lunch, I buy vegetables.